guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Sukriti Sharma. अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम मेरा चैनल देख रहे हैं तो प्लीज टेक अ मोमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. अगर आप ऑलरेडी सब्सक्राइब कर रखा है then thank you so much guys. So today in this video I have some product recommendations. I have a makeup kit for you for the people who are just starting to use makeup, or who are teenagers or who are beginners, or who are just don't want to invest a lot of their money in makeup. So I have some product recommendations starting from the primer to the lipstick, and they fall into the category of affordable, so you can prepare your own makeup kit under the budget of 2000. So starting to end, everything, every product I've been listing here, and you can prepare your own makeup kit within the budget of 2000. Also, it's not like I have just starting to use these products. I've been using them from quite some time, and I have tried all those products on myself, and I have discovered that they are really good. You need not to invest a lot of your money into makeup, because makeup is expensive, and everyone out there, especially in these times of a pandemic, a corona situation where you're not stepping out, you want to invest a lot of your money in makeup. So if you are someone who's into makeup but who doesn't want to invest a lot of their money, I have some great product recommendations. So if you want to know what are these products, then just keep on watching. So the very first product is a primer. We all know primer, we cannot skip it. If you want a flawless base, if you want your foundation to last longer time, we need a primer for it. So I'm recommending this Blue Heaven primer, which is a Makeup Perfect Studio Perfection oil free non-greasy primer. I have used it multiple times, and I have this T-zone oily, so it has worked so much for me. I don't know if it will work for dry skin people, because it is very good for oily skin, because it's just very non-greasy formula. So, and the price of this is 300, which is again very affordable. So if you're looking out for any primer, you can try out Inside Cosmetics primer also, and this Blue Heaven primer is really good. Fall into the category of affordable yet very useful. The second product is a foundation, and what better than Maybelline Fit Me. This is the OG. This is the best foundation out there in this budget. So the mini tube comes, the price of this mini tube is $2.99, and also I'm just referring the MRPs here. You can always order these products at a very lesser price, because there's always a sale going on Nykaa, and right now is the time, because the Nykaa Pink Friday sale is on, so you can get the products in really half a price. So, and always wait for the sale, because you get really good discounts. So the small size is around $2.99, and the foundation, everyone knows, is perfect. It is matte plus poreless. It just looks like skin. It just blends completely, and in this budget, this is the best foundation. If you are a beginner, if you're just starting out to use makeup, or if you want a makeup foundation which is medium to buildable coverage, this is the foundation for you. I highly recommend this foundation. Next is concealer. If you are searching for any concealer which is not that expensive and can do the work for you, blindly go for this Swiss Beauty concealer. This is their liquid concealer. I am in the shade 02. They have 3-4 shades. So this is the best concealer. Blends really well, hides the dark circles, and the price is $1.99. So in this price, go for this concealer blindly. This is superb. We need a compact just to set our face, and you can just keep it in our purse. Just whenever you require a touch up, you can use a compact. I highly recommend this Lakme Sun Expert with SPF 40. This Ultra Matte Compact. The price of this is $220, but it's always on discount. It is really good. You can go for Maybelline Fit Me Compact also. The price of that is I guess $199, but I've been using it from quite some time, and it started to show the tan now. So this is a really good compact. Really good compact. You can go for Maybelline Fit Me as well, but I prefer this. I highly recommend this compact. Okay, next for eyebrows, you can either use any eyeshadow palette also in a dark brown color. But if you want really a pencil and you're not very into the eyeshadow, because if you're a beginner, you are not into doing your eyebrows through an eyeshadow palette, I'm using Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil. I don't remember the price. It was I think 75 or 50, but it is a really decent eyebrow pencil, and I think eyebrow pencil पे ज़्यादा पैसे क्या ही waste करने. Swiss Beauty और Miss Claire आप कोई भी use कर सकते हैं. Both are affordable and both are good. I'm in this shade dark brown or medium brown. It's dark brown. So they have medium brown, dark brown, so many shades. You can choose from Swiss Beauty or Miss Claire. Both are good. Okay, next up is this Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, which is in the number 06. The price of this is 229 and it's also on discount most of the times, and I ordered it randomly one day, but this turned out to be a really good palette for beginners or for your daily day and night looks, because it has two of these shimmer shades, and they have the transition shades, and the pigment is really good. So I just wanted to show you the pigment, because in this price I don't know how, but the pigment and the shade is really nice. So yeah, I wanted to show you the pigment of this palette, which is really good. The colors are really popping out and they are so creamy. When you're gonna try it, you'll get to know that they are so creamy and so nice. So in this budget, I highly recommend you this palette. It comes in different shades, so I am using this 06 because it has one or two shimmer shades also, and neutral shades wherein you can create a day and night both the looks from this palette. So the pigment is great, the price is great, and the brand is also nice. So if you want to try any good eyeshadow palette in the budget of 200 to 250, I will highly suggest you this palette. Next up is this Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. The price of this is around 310. If you don't want to invest that much, you can also buy the Inside Cosmetic. I don't remember the price, but इससे थोड़ा सा सस्ता है. But both of them are really nice. Maybelline का तो everyone knows it's a good brand. I've been using their mascaras and their foundation for quite some time. So if you want to try this one, the price of this is 310, and it gives the lashes the right amount of curl, and the wand is really nice. And also the Inside Cosmetic one, I have shown in my last video. I've been using their products and they have turned out to be really good. So if you want to buy any mascara, you can try Maybelline. They have Colossal also, which is little bit at a lesser price than this, but also Inside I would recommend. I don't know, I think it's शायद I don't know, शायद 2000 से थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे हो जाए, because I wanted to show you all the products. They have the prices, they have the sale going on, but I think अगर आप sale में order करोगे, so if you will be able to make the makeup kit in the budget of 2000. And the next product I wanted to show you is this Faces Canada's Magnet Eyes Kajal, which is jet black. The stay is super nice. I'll show you, which is the stay is really good, and the price I don't remember, it's I think 115 or somewhere between 100 to 120, which is quite affordable. You can try Faces Canada. Also the K-Beauty Kajal is really good and also falls into the same category of affordable. So if you want to try the Kajal, you can try the Nykaa one or the Faces Canada or the K-Beauty one. Okay, because the kajal is not that expensive, it smudges little bit. It's not smudge proof, so it's a kajal which is like not that long lasting and might smudge. So if you're looking for a kajal which doesn't smudge out, you can go for Plum. But in this budget, you can try the Faces Canada one or the K-Beauty. But it's not smudge proof, so it smudges. The next thing I want to show you, I don't want to show you two different products, which is a blush or a highlighter, because it can mess up your budget and it can go till 2500. So I just wanted to keep it under the budget of 2000. I recommend this product, which is the baked blush and highlighter from Swiss Beauty. Right now also I'm using the same highlighter. I use it as my blush topper also. The shade are really, they have some different shades. Mine is 02, and the pigment of this is really nice. Let me show you the pigment. So I don't know if it's visible on the camera, but you can use them differently also, according to your skin tone, because this will not look good on a person who is a darker tone, and this will not look good on a person who is a fairer tone. So I just kind of mix it up and then use, and it really goes well. It brightens the face, it adds the flush to the cheeks, also it highlights the high points. So instead of buying separate products, I highly recommend you buying this big blush by Swiss Beauty. They have different shades, and trust me, the pigment and everything, the stay, it looks gorgeous. It really looks gorgeous, under the sun also, and really beautiful. So I highly recommend this product. The price of this is 349, but you can wait for the sale and then only order. Okay, so the last product, second last product, which is this L18 lipstick in the shade Pink Spice. I've been raving about this lipstick on my channel from quite some time. Let me show you the shade once. There are so many swatches going on here, but this is the shade. This is a neutral pink nude kind of shade, and the price of this is 75 I think, yeah, 75. This is not matte, this is little glossy, and the stay is not that great because it's not that expensive. But I don't mind putting it again and again. But the shade looks really gorgeous on my skin tone, and anyone who's little wheatish to the skin, even on fairer skin tones also. The shade is really gorgeous, Pink Spice, and they have different shades, but I'm into new, and it looks really stunning on the lips. And I think अब बहुत ज़्यादा glossy का trend आ गया है. People generally switching to glossies from the mattes, and it is a glossy pigment kind of thing. Another recommendation is from Inside Cosmetics. This is the shade I've been using every day. I don't know why. I'm quite liking this shade. This is Joyful. I will swatch it for you. It is like this, a chocolate brownish shade, but it looks really good. It turns out to be matte. जैसे जैसे लगाते हैं वैसे matte हो जाती है. The stay is not that. मतलब यार अभी 90 रुपीज़ की लिपस्टिक है, इतना तो स्टे हम एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते. बट द शेड्स आर रियली गुड, द पिगमेंट इज नाइस, एंड यू कैन ऑर्डर इट इफ यू वांट लिपस्टिक्स अंडर द बजट ऑफ 100 rupees. So Inside Cosmetics also have so many good lipsticks, but I like this shade Joyful. I also like the shade Soft Rose. They have some variety of shades to choose from. So yeah, these were the two lipsticks I highly recommend under the budget of 100 rupees, which are really good. So as you can see, it has turned out to be this matte. This is not a glossy thing, while L18 one is a glossy lipstick, and this Joyful Inside one turns out to be matte. But both look gorgeous on the lips. Last product is the Makeup Fixer from Swiss Beauty. It is the Makeup Fixer Natural Aloe Vera with Vitamin E. This is really good to set up your face, and the price of this is around 300 to 250 to 300, I guess. But it is a really good makeup fixer. Fixes your makeup and gives this dewy finish. I like the makeup fixers who you illuminates your skin. I've been using this product from quite some time. I like the MAC Prep+ Prime, but it's very expensive. So you can go for the Swiss Beauty makeup fixer, which really is good. So yeah guys, I did not want to lengthen this video by blabbering so much. मैंने बहुत short में आपको बता दिया कि these are the products which I've been using. I've been liking them. If you want to give it a try, if you want to order in bits and pieces, if you want to create your makeup kit, you can order from these products, and they are really good. Nykaa Pink Friday sale is on, so you can try out your luck, and you might get good discounts. Guys, I hope this video will be of little help for whoever was searching some good makeup products in our budget. Also, before going, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video with more makeup products and more recommendations. Thank you for watching. Be safe. Bye. Take care.